Hey everybody, tonight we're on White Oak Drive in the Houston Heights neighborhood, and we're doing a bar crawl. Let's go! Right here at 2626 White Oak is Donna's, a stylish retro-inspired cocktail bar built to feel like an energetic upscale house party. The space features warm ambient lighting, vinyl beats, cozy lounge seating, and standout craft martinis. It serves as one of the main corner anchors kicking off the lively White Oak bar crawl. Let's take a closer look. Checking out everybody on the patio here. It's a very low-key, smoky bar type atmosphere. And that's Donna's. Directly across the street at 2631 White Oak is Little Woodrow's Heights, a classic high-energy Texas sports bar and patio staple. Known for its massive covered deck, extensive draft beer selection, and walls of TVs, it draws a steady weekend crowd watching games and hanging out outdoors. It stands as the bustling corner hub opposite Donna's, keeping the intersection lively late into the night. And for that one, I think the best thing is probably to zoom. And that is Little Woodrow's. You can see the sign in the front there on the right side. There's another look at Little Woodrow's from across the street here. You can see the front better. You can find both of these venues at the corner of White Oak Drive and Cedarwood Street. Just down the block at 2803 White Oak is Bobcat Teddy's Icehouse, an authentic neighborhood icehouse with deep local roots. Featuring a massive covered patio, picnic tables, neon beer signs, and lawn games, it delivers an unpretentious, laid-back Texas patio vibe. It stays packed with locals enjoying ice-cold draft beers and catch-ups on the patio, making it one of the loudest and most spirited outdoor stops on the Strip. And that's Bobcat Teddy's Icehouse. Here's another look at Bobcat Teddy's Icehouse from the same side of the street. Directly across the street at 2820 White Oak is Christian's Tailgate Bar and Grill, a legendary high-energy neighborhood sports bar famous for its award-winning burgers and unpretentious vibe. Packed with beer taps, neon signs, and walls of TVs, it draws a rowdy, fun-loving crowd inside and out on the front patio. Sitting opposite Bobcat Teddy's, it completes the high-traffic bar cluster at the center of the crawl. See if we can see a little bit closer in here. A little bit. And that's Christian's Tailgate. And there's another look at Christian's Tailgate. You almost get a better shot from across the street than you do right in front of it. That's crazy. Continuing west at 2920 White Oak is Permission, an intimate, upscale cocktail and whiskey lounge with a moody, sophisticated vibe. The space features plush velvet seating, antique chandeliers, warm amber lighting, and an extensive collection of rare bourbons and spirits. It offers a sleek, elevated visual contrast to the casual open-air beer gardens along the Strip. We'll take a quick look at that here. Oh, that is pretty intimate there. Yes, very. Be bold and go around the side. And there's a look at Permission from across the streets. It's later, it's after midnight, getting pretty busy. Just a block down at 3106 White Oak is Onion Creek, a beloved neighborhood institution and open-air hangout, featuring a sprawling, rustic wooden deck strung with warm string lights. It blends a casual cafe atmosphere with a bustling craft beer garden. It stays full of energy with locals gathering on the patio, serving as one of the most recognizable and welcoming open-air stops along the drive. Much more filming friendly since it's right there and they can't do anything about it, right?
You would think, but
There's the Onion Creek sign from across the street. These are some narrow sidewalks, I'll tell you what. And here's something across the street called Nice Ash. Interesting. This thing seems way out of place. It says Montrose Skate Shop. Here's your typical Heights neighborhood stuff you find, like a Juice Land and Black Swan Yoga. Continuing west toward the 3300 block at 3302 White Oak is Easy's Liquor Lounge, an elevated retro-style dive bar dripping in vintage Americana charm. Packed with custom neon signs, vinyl booths, wood paneling, and an outdoor patio, it delivers a fun, high-energy neighborhood watering hole vibe. It serves up classic cold beers, frozen drinks, and reimagined bar snacks, making it an eye-catching, lively anchor on the western stretch of the crawl. Let's check it out. Seems like there's a patio back here, but you can't really see through anything there. Let's try the fronts. Okay, there we can see now. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Yoink.
My dog is shaking.
Hey, there's a Waymo. Check it out. Looks like on this side we can see some of the patio. There's the patio. There's the side. It says slow down, take it to Easy's. Pretty cool, huh? Place got pretty busy, actually. Pretty busy. Tucked right along the strip at 3029 White Oak Drive, Benny Thunder's is a self-pour tap room and wine bar built around an interactive, modern experience. Featuring a wall of dozens of self-serve taps, patrons can sample a wide variety of craft beers, ciders, seltzers, and boutique wines by the ounce using RFID cards. With its bright, inviting patio and relaxed lounge setup, it adds an easygoing, tech-forward stop between Permission and Onion Creek. And although it's not open, right next door at 3320 White Oak is Coltivare, a renowned rustic Italian eatery famous for its lush, sprawling backyard garden patio. While primarily an upscale dining spot known for wood-fired pizzas and craft cocktails, it brings a highly active, bustling energy to the sidewalk. With warm ambient lighting and a constant stream of patrons mingling outside while waiting for a table, it adds a vibrant, elevated visual element to this end of the street. And you have to check out this patio. It's crazy. That's not all. I walked past it and I'm like, what the heck is this? Look at this patio. There's like seating and stuff in there. That's insane. And that's Coltivare. And here's the sign on the window, actually. I believe they close at 11 p.m. And right now it's almost midnight. Yeah, that explains it. That one's located at the corner of White Oak Drive and Arlington Street. I love the bungalow style architecture around here. And then you see things like that. That was interesting. Looks like he flattened a thing that was in the middle of the road. I was going to say I love the style of the bungalows around here, but that was just extra. Just past the intersection of Harvard Street, at 3522 White Oak Drive is Padre's, a relaxed neighborhood wine shop and patio bar, offering a curated selection of boutique wines, craft beers, and light bites. The space features a bright, welcoming layout with casual outdoor patio seating along the sidewalk. It provides a laid-back, conversational vibe that marks the quiet western boundary of the White Oak Entertainment Corridor. Let's take a look at it. See lots of wines there. And until midnight, it says there. And then over here is the patio. Just take a slow walk past there. Very nice, I like it a lot, yes. And more of those beautiful bungalows over here. It's a very old neighborhood, the Heights is, but it's got a lot of character for sure. It's been an interesting walk here, much more calm than it was last week in the other section of the Heights on 20th Street. Thanks a lot for joining me on this walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.